Have you ever wondered what happens in a woman's mind when the person pursuing her suddenly stops? Psychology reveals some fascinating truths about human emotions and relationships. In this video, we'll dive into what a woman feels when you stop chasing her, and why this shift can spark unexpected reactions. Psychologists explain that when you stop chasing, it creates a psychological effect called reactance. This is the human tendency to want what seems unavailable or restricted. When your attention fades, a woman may start questioning her feelings. She begins to wonder, why isn't he chasing me anymore? That shift in attention can make her reevaluate your value in her life. When someone constantly pursues us, it creates a sense of comfort, even if we don't feel the same way. But the moment that pursuit stops, it can spark curiosity. She might wonder if she took your interest for granted, and that subtle change can shift the dynamic entirely. When you stop looking for her, it sends a powerful signal: confidence. You're showing that your happiness doesn't depend on her validation. Confidence is incredibly attractive, and it often makes her see you in a new light. You've stopped being just the chaser, and become someone she might want to pursue. According to psychological studies, scarcity increases value. By pulling back, you create a sense of emotional distance. This can sometimes lead to self-reflection, where she questions if she overlooked something special about you. At the end of the day, stepping back isn't about manipulation. It's about valuing yourself and letting the right connections find their way. Sometimes, the most powerful thing you can do is focus on your own growth and let others come to you. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful psychology facts. Let me know if you want to tweak anything.